Just to recap, the Rocket Pool CLI software has been installed and has been set to executable. And you've logged out and logged back in. Trust but verify everything has been set up and ready to roll by typing in the following: Rocket Pool -- version, and hit enter. If it gives you the Rocket Pool version, you've done it correctly, and the Rocket Pool CLI software is now executable. Very nice. Now type Rocket Pool service install and hit enter to do just that. This will install the Rocket Pool service. There is a short message here about upgrading and configuration settings. Type Y for yes and hit enter. Enter your admin password. The 9-step installation may take a few moments to finish. If you see all this lovely text on your screen, then you are ready to move on. Unless, of course, this lovely text contains an obvious error. But do read this note at the bottom. Quote, since this is your first time installing Rocket Pool, please start a new shell session by logging out and back in or restarting the machine. So let's do just that. Type log out and hit enter. Now log back in and get ready for the next step. Nice job. You are ready to move on. On behalf of Rocket School, my name is JT.